What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're out here on this insane ship in the middle of the freaking ocean. Let's go see what the deep sea's hiding for us. All right, people, let's freaking start this thing.
Guys, this ocean runs freaking deep. Yo, shark, chill. I'm just your guest here, heck, so hands off, all right? Yo, mom, save me from this freaking shark.
Next time you're cruising my turf, I'm gonna snack on you for real.
Oh, damn. So this is the biggest animal on Earth? That thing is huge.
Yo, this is straight up another world. Like, seriously, Sekai, it's beautiful down here.
Man, that was an insane experience. Totally worth it.
Guys, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crazy adventures like this.